In this video, I gonna talk you a best Android launcher in 2022. I hope you will like this video because I will show you the best choice of launcher in Android device. Okay guys, this is the launcher. When you open the launcher, here you can show let's go. Please click the option let's go, and here you can show welcome to SO20 launcher. You can skip or you can choose next button. Okay, I'll choose here next, and then you will show the quick guide menu. Here you can choose S20 theme, and you can choose S20 Unity icon theme. I'll choose S20 Unity icon theme and then click next. And here you can choose the draw style, animation, draw animation. Here you can choose the best animation, vertical or horizontal. So I'll check horizontal and next, and then here you can choose the icon size, means small, normal and larger. I think small or normal is best. Okay, then click next, and then later okay, apply. And here you can show the launcher is loading, and this is your launcher. Okay guys, this is your launcher, it's ready. Now you can show many features in this launcher. I will show you the extreme helpful features for you. Here you can show the guide option, here long press, and when here you can long press, here you can show the edit menu, which gets like desktop, wallpaper, etc. Okay guys, here I will hold press and wallpaper settings, go wallpaper and allow. Here you can choose many wallpapers, apps themes, apps wallpaper, apps lives wallpaper. Like apps lives wallpaper has better and many more extra wallpaper is here available. Okay guys, you will show the wallpaper. Here is the best and creative wallpaper for you. Okay, this is the wallpaper, it's animated and obviously it's live wallpaper. You can choose it for your desktop live wallpaper and lock screen live wallpaper. Okay guys, here I will go back, and now I'll go the widgets menu, and here you can show more extreme widgets for your Android device. Now you can choose here from the best widgets for you and your customization, but I will back here because I have already added a new widgets for my desktop window. Okay guys, here you can show the launcher settings, but first of all I'll talk you about the launcher. Here you can show the settings, it is your Android settings. Okay guys, click here, and then you can show your phone in build settings. Okay guys, let's go to the settings from others window. Here click, and now here click the settings button. Here you can show a pop-up window. Here you can show launcher premium features. Launcher obviously provide all features when you get it to premium. Okay guys, I'll close it, and then I show you the launcher setting. Here you can show desktop settings, drawer settings, dock settings, sidebar theme, etc. Okay guys, now here I'll show the desktop, and here you can got site. You can choose here from your got site, but it is not very important for you. Here important is icon size. You can know your customization, your icon size here, and icon label size, it's called icon text label size. Okay guys, and now we can choose the shadow option. Shadow option is very creative for this application because here you can customize your application with a new cool color. Okay guys, here the pink color you can choose here from your gut side, but it is not very important for you. Here important is icon size. You can know your customization, your icon size here, and icon label size, it's called icon text label size. Okay guys, and now we can choose the shadow option, search for style. Now you will choose here from your desktop search for style from this launcher. Here you can choose the Google logo. Now you can customize for your own style your search bar. Okay guys, now back from here, and if you want to hide your status bar, now click there. Okay, now back, and here you can show the drawer settings, but drawer settings is very creative here. They have 3 options: vertical, horizontal. Here you can know the animation or in launcher when you open the apps window. Okay guys, now back here from here, and you can choose slide bar animation from here. Here you can choose favorites, apps, show or hide. Means it is the best settings in this launcher, because you can know where you can get a creative features in this launcher, because here you can show favorite apps, show or hide. Means you can hide any application from your phone, and you can always open this application with your own choice. Okay guys, yes, here you can show gesture setting. Gesture is a very interesting setting in Android. You can hear more gestures if you get to pro version, but here you can show 2 gestures unlock. If you swipe, you can open the app drawer, and you can choose your own choice from here, application shortcut, etc. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here I will show you how to use this launcher. Now you can use this launcher, and if you want to download this launcher, I'll give you the best and virus free link in our video description. Thank you so much for this video. Please watch the next video, it is very creative for you. And for now, bye bye, and thank you so much.